After using this natural treatment, you will age less. After using this treatment, you age backwardly. If you are 65, if you are 60, if you are 70, you will surely age backward. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new here for the first time, you are so welcome. This is my beauty channel. If you want anything for skincare, like you want to improve your complexion, you want to get rid of skin problems like dark spots, pimples, come to this channel. If you want to age less, if you want to get rid of wrinkles, be it forehead wrinkle, be it laugh lines, be it laugh lines, be it mouth wrinkles, neck wrinkles, anything you desire, just check my videos. You see one that will help you greatly. Be consistent with it. You see it working amazingly on your skin. Do subscribe if you love beauty tips. Turn on the bell so that whenever I upload videos, you get notified and come and watch. So I'm going to show you what this contains. The ingredients here are purely natural. These are the things you can find right in your kitchen, giving you best result without side effects, like purely natural. So I added few ingredients, 3 ingredients that when you see your skin will get supple. It gets rid of dry, flaky skin. It revives your skin, hydrates your skin, nourishing, keeping you looking younger always. So I made this of oat powder. Oat flour, oat powder, they are all the same in case you see the name written. Okay, so oat powder is very good. It keeps the skin looking supple and plump. Like, it gets rid of dry, flaky skin, hydrating your skin, getting rid of dry skin. Like, seriously. So I love oat powder a lot. I don't joke with it. Sometimes I also make use of rice powder. If you don't have oat powder, you can make use of rice powder or any other good flour. Okay, so oat powder is very good. It contains anti-aging effect on the skin. It helps to plump and get rid of dry, flaky skin, like I said earlier. It helps to protect your skin from dryness, helping to control aging signs like wrinkles and fine lines, keeping your skin glowing all through the day. So try to get oat powder. You can get it from supermarkets, you can get it from your local stores. Okay, so the next one I made this of is turmeric. So turmeric gets rid of dull, flaky skin. Like, if your skin is dull, looking so dark looking so dull, turmeric will help to brighten and give you this sparkling, glowing look. Okay, not only that, turmeric contains powerful antioxidant that helps to slow down aging process, giving you a more youthful skin that glows. So all these Asians, Indians, they always apply turmeric. They use rice powder or rice flour or ground flour with turmeric, make a paste with it, they apply on the skin, and you see the skin looking ageless. You need to try this remedy, you will love it. So the next one is honey. I made this of honey because honey is full of so many nutrients that your skin needs to keep nourishing, to keep glowing, to keep looking healthy. Please try to get original honey. This is original, and you are going to get better results. So what you have to do, I'm going to tell you the measurement right away without wasting time. I measure in 1 tablespoon of oat powder. Then I went ahead to add a pinch of turmeric. Just a little of this turmeric is all you need. Except you want to brighten your skin further, you can add more than that size. Then I added 1 tablespoon of honey. Yes, so I mixed and mixed, but it did not turn a thick paste because it's still very powderish. So what I did, I added rose water for mixing. I was adding the rose water little by little until it forms a smooth paste just like this. You can see it. Rose water helps to condition the skin. It balances the skin's pH, getting rid of acne. You can use it as a facial toner, helping to condition the skin, nourishing and removing dry, flaky skin. Hydrate your skin if you have dry skin. Balance your skin if you have oily skin. I love rose water a lot. Instead of water for mixing, please try to always make use of rose water. Just get it in your home. You will never regret it. So it's time to show you how to apply this treatment on the skin for best results. So when you want to apply it, ensure you remove all makeups on your skin. I don't have makeup. I don't always appear with makeup. So just remove all makeup so that this treatment will be able to penetrate and work better. You can use a mild face wash, like a mild soap, to remove all dust from your face so that this treatment will penetrate and work better. So I'm going to go right now to apply it on my skin, showing you how it works, and you love the results. So what you have to do, as I said earlier, just ensure you wash your face, remove all makeup. You can apply this treatment all over your body. All you have to do just to get rid of, all you have to do just to increase the quantity. Instead of 1 tablespoon of oat powder, just increase 2 tablespoons or more. Everything just increase it so that you can get better results. Apply on your skin and you see your skin looking the best. So I'm going to go right now and apply. So after applying this treatment, you have to leave it on for 15-20 minutes before washing it out. This is to ensure the treatment penetrates well and work better. So if you want your treatments, your skincare products to work better, always steam your face, steam your skin so that the treatment will penetrate. Exfoliate your skin so that it can penetrate and work better. Okay, so I'm going to leave it on for the right time. I will wash it out and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back after washing it out. So you have to leave it on for 10-15 minutes, 20 minutes if you have the time. Wash it out and you see your skin gets brighter. And your skin will improve in texture. It will get smoother. If you have dark spots with consistency, it will get rid of. And as you apply this treatment, as this goes, you see your skin getting better and better. It gets rid of mouth wrinkles, laugh lines, deep wrinkles, neck wrinkles. You can apply all over your body and you see your skin getting better and better. So use this treatment 3 times or twice weekly. Just clean your face, exfoliate your skin, and you see your skin getting better each day. You can increase the quantity so that you can make use of it next time, in 1 week. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video. Okay, so I have the skincare products. If you want to purchase my creams, lotions, soap, they are purely organic. Don't worry about that. No side effects. Just contact me through WhatsApp and I'm going to recommend better for you. I also have skin firming products. I also have products for kids, very gentle. Kids have sensitive skin, right? Kids, they don't need anything like exfoliant. They don't need anything that will tamper with the skin pH. So I have all those gentle products for kids that will glow their skin for all skin types. Contact me and I'm going to show you better, okay? Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, share this video to everyone. I'll see you in my next video.